Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, few things are most basically hard and not easy to get than discovering the perfect song. Well, hit an add to playlist and then nothing happens. Or even worse, you get like an error message, whether you are on mobile or even desktop. There are several reasons why Amazon Music might refuse to add songs to your playlist. Well, the good news is, most of these issues are easy to fix. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how basically to fix the canned songs to playlist on Amazon, and even we're gonna go through the most common causes and solutions so we can get back to building your perfect music collection. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, if you are an Amazon Prime like music user, you have a limit of 50 songs per playlist. If your playlist has reached this limit, you won't be able to add more. So go all the way to the playlist and count these songs, or try creating a new playlist to see if that works. And also, if you like frequently hit the limit, consider upgrading to Amazon Music Unlimited, which removes playlist size restrictions. And also make sure to check your download limit for Prime members. Prime members also have a total download limit, typically like around 500 songs across all devices. If you have reached this limit, you may not be able to add more songs like to offline listening. So go to settings, storage, and remove some downloads like already downloaded content to free up space. And also make sure to check your internet connection. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet using a good internet source, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.